Good nature vibes all around. Check it out. Isn't it just beautiful? Great outdoors, God. Celebrating all of God's creations out here in nature. It's just so peaceful, beautiful soul. I encourage you to get outside in nature and just connect with the elements. It is just so peaceful. There's Canadian geese, birds, crickets, cicadas, just so many natural healing frequencies out here. It's just so calming to the mind, body, and soul. Nature is medicine and it's free. So get outside of the four walls and into the great outdoors. Namaste, peace, and love from me to you.